Good morning everyone. I am Dr. K. Brinda, Head of Department BCom Professional Accounting in Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Our today's topic is about types of research. There are 5 major types of research and each type is subcategorized into several types. And the first one is general category. General category is subdivided into quantitative and qualitative research. A quantitative research is expressed in numbers and graphs. Quantitative research is expressed in numbers and graphs. It is used to test or confirm theories and assumptions. These types of research can be used to establish generalization facts about a topic. And the next one is qualitative research. Qualitative research is expressed in words. It is used to understand concepts, thoughts, or experiences. This type of research enables us to gather in-depth insights on topics that are not well understood. Common qualitative methods include interviews with open-ended questions, observations described in words, and the literature reviews that explore concepts and theories. Research design, and again it is subdivided into two main topics such as exploratory research and conclusive research. The first one, exploratory research. It is used to investigate a problem that is not clearly defined or understood. It is therefore conducted to gain a deeper understanding of a research problem and its context rather than to gain an understanding on its solution or result. Types of exploratory research. First one is primary research methods. This refers to the methods of research where data is collected directly from the subjects being investigated. The subject could be an individual or a group of people. Some common methods of primary research used in exploratory research are surveys, observations, interviews, and focus groups. The second was secondary research methods. This refers to the methods of research where the data is collected from existing resources on the subject of being studied. And the next one is conclusive research. Conclusive research design is used to obtain information that can be used to reach conclusions or make decisions. The data collected in this research design is generally quantitative in nature and therefore takes distinct numerical values. The types of conclusive researches are descriptive research and casual research. Descriptive research is used to answer questions such as what, when, where, and how rather than why. The casual research is used to investigate the cause and effect relationship between the analytical research, which comes under the head of nature of the study. Descriptive research classifies, describes, compares, and measures data. Meanwhile, analytical research focuses on cause and effect. For example, take numbers on the change in trade deficits between United States and the rest of the world in 2015 to 18. This is descriptive research. For example, you may take about mean on average trade deficit. Meanwhile, analytical research measures something different. Instead, you would look at why, how the trade deficit has changed. Special statistics and statistical controls helps you ensure results are meaningful. For example, analytical research can explore why the value of Japanese yen has fallen. This is because analytical research can look at the questions of how and why. Thus, analytical research tells us why something is true. Researching why something happens isn't easy. You need critical thinking skills and careful assessment of the facts. For example, people might use analytical research to find a missing link in a study. It offers new ideas about your data, thus it helps to...
Next type is purpose of study. Again, it contains two subdivisions and they are applied and fundamental research. To understand the difference between applied and fundamental research, it is very important to understand what they are. Applied research is a kind of scientific research that focuses on solving real-world issues. Applied research is critical in finding solutions to the difficulties we face daily, especially those that have notifications for our personal lives, careers, and health. This sort of study may be applied in several ways. Among its many applications are discovering new treatments for disease, the advancement of cutting-edge technology. The results of fundamental research, also known as basic or pure research, are not frequently applied to the real world. We do basic research because we are curious about the world and want to learn more about the certain subject area. This forms of study adds of the body knowledge of already known. The last type of research is data type, and it consists of primary research and secondary research. Primary research refers to the research that has involved the collection of original data specific to a particular research project. When doing primary research, the researcher gathers information firsthand rather than relying on available information in the database or other publications. Primary research can be done through various methods, but this type of research is often based on the principles of scientific method. This means that the process of doing primary research, researchers develop research questions or hypotheses, collect and analyze measurable empirical data, and draw evidence-based conclusions. And the next one is secondary research. While primary research involves active participation from the researcher themselves, secondary research involves the summary of thesis and of the data literature that has been organized and published by others. When doing secondary research, researchers use analyzed data from primary research sources. Secondary research is widely used in many fields of study and industries such as legal research and market research. In the sciences, for instance, one of the most common methods of secondary research is a systematic review. In a systematic review,